Hi everyone. Today with a new video and a new scholarship. Today video is about a national scholarship program of the Slovak Republic or Slovakia national program. It is also known as NSP, National Scholarship Program. So I will guide you today about the whole information on it and how you can apply on it and who can apply on it. They do not require any kind of application fee and not require any English certificate. So who can apply and what kind of scholarship you will get in it? I will guide you today. So watch a video completely from beginning to end. Scholarship for international students, PhD students, university teachers, researchers, and artists. And in international students, basically they include the college students and university students like bachelor or master. Here I can show you like who are eligible for this scholarship, like students, PhD students, university teachers, researchers, and artists. Amount of scholarship, and one by one I will guide you. I will attach all of the website links in my description that you can easily get the information from here. Are student who are university student at university outside the Slovakia, you should be international. Are student of second level of higher education, master student, or are student who at the time of application will be stay in Slovakia during their higher education. All three conditions must be met. This category does not apply to doctoral studies or their equivalent studies. So this kind of study basically are required for the bachelor and master degree students, and this is not met to the doctor students. Duration of scholarship may be for 1 or 2 semester, three semester, and a 4 semester. So it depends on, so they have different categories. It depends on that in which category you apply and which in which category you are accepted in if you apply your application here. Like they mention like 1 or 2 full semester, 4 to 5 or 9 to 10 month, or 1 to 3 full trimester. It means 3 semester in case the academic is divided into trimester, 3 to 4 or 6 to 7 or 9 to 10. Because in Europe mostly master degrees are or master degrees are for 1 year. For PhD students, they will go for a duration of scholarship stay like 1 to 10 month, or maybe it can up to. It depends on your university or your professor. University teacher, researchers, and artists, they can also apply. Who are a teacher, professor, assistant professor in the home country can apply. Who are doing research as a RA degree, and they can as a RA they can apply. And those who are artists, and artists like they are painters, they are musicians, they are any kind of artist, they can apply on it. Okay, so now the national scholarship program does not support. You can read the information here that who are not eligible for this are those students who are, the main thing is those students who are already accepted in Slovakia in other universities or other program, they are not eligible. And a PhD full degree student, they are accepted in Slovakia, they are not eligible. And the student who are accepted in Erasmus Mundus CPAS bilateral agreement, they are not eligible for this one. So amount of scholarship, and now university student of second level of higher education, they are eligible for getting a monthly stipend of 620 euros. Like they are included master students, RA, and maybe a bachelor student, but you can figure it out in a program list. PhD student will get like 1,2500 euros. University teachers will get, they mention here about the, without PhD degree you will get this stipend. With the PhD degree your stipend will be increased like 1,370 euros. What it's mean, for example, if you are a master student or you are going to apply for a research for a research area, you will get this stipend monthly. Or if you already have a PhD degree and you are going to apply for as a researcher, you will get this stipend. Or with PhD degree at the same time more than 10 years of experience, they mention about the experience. If you have experience, you will get it. After that, travel grant. So now they will also provide you a travel grant. It depends on the distance that from your country and Slovakia. Distance up to, if your distance is up to 200 kilometers, so you get 0 euros. So if your distance is like maximum 300, you will get 50. If your distance is more than 2000, you will get a 500 euro. So if you can check on Google that what is the distance from flight distance from your country to Slovakia. If I talk about Pakistan, so the Pakistan category is rise between 2000 to 5000, so maybe they get 500 or 750, same as it is for India and Saudi Arabia and Bangladesh. And now if you are in a Europe, your travel distance may be a less. Application deadline, so their first round is already over, which is 30 April is the last day. Scholarship stay during the next academic year, and 31st October is the second scholarship stay during the summer semester or the current academic year. And now the 31st is the last date, you can apply now. They are just open at 15 September. Submitting an application, where you have to submit the application, this is a link that there you can submit your application. But when you click on this link, you are not directly go to application portal to send an application. So I will guide you step by step that how you can apply on it. So first you can figure it out all of the information here. What kind of documents you need? So you need a CV, motivation letter, detailed study program. Why detailed study program is also known as a essay or a motivation letter, or maybe a study plan that why you want to go there and you want to study there. Two recommendation letter issued by applicants university teachers. Confirmation officially issued by the applicant's home higher education institute confirming that the applicant is a regular student or respective higher education institute at the time of applying. Bachelor diploma supplement together with the state examination certificate. Required document that must attach to online application. And what kind of documents you need, you have to attach with the application your CV, motivation letter, your study plan, your recommendation letter, list of publication, acceptance of any invitation letter. And after that you need a required document that must be attached online of application for. And now I want to tell you one more important thing here. You can see this is a study case in case of international student eligible under the category A. And category A included the bachelor and master students. And this one is for the category B. This is for the PhD student. This is for a category C. This include the teachers, researchers, and artists. So you can check one by one all of the information here. I will show you all of the program for bachelor, master, teacher, everyone here there. So you can check on it on their website. And what is the selection procedure? You can read about it. If I detail this information, maybe video become too long. Scholarship grant and condition for its paying. So if you get successfully in this scholarship, you will get a money. It's a common thing to understand it. Okay, so tips of the application. If you want a more information about this program, you can administrator to for university teacher. You can email at this email, and for PhD you can for university student, and for PhD student you can email on it. You can save this email because sometime you give a make a mistake or you don't understand what I can do now. So you can email them and you can resolve your queries, your confusion. So it is very important thing. Okay, now we will move to the next step. Okay, so now we talk about for the next step here. So before going to the scholarship, I wanna show you this thing. This is a blog. This is an Indian student. How to successfully apply for the national scholarship program. So they give a lot of tips here. So better you can read it. I am Rohit Sharma, a PhD scholar in the Department of Civil Engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology. My research. So they attach this link on their website. So you can read this about the visa information, any kind of visa information. It's mentioned on its a blog site. So you can read all of the information. And after the visa, what you have to prepare, like a banking process, weather, grocery, start the visa process, ensure the hard copies, plan your banking approval, like all of the information he mentioned here. So he did a good work. You have to read this one. I will attach the link in the blog, in the website. Okay, submit the application. So if you come here, click on the submit application. You can see on the first page, the on the left side, submit application, and you will get this one. So you have applicant for student 1 or 2 semester in coming to Slovakia. Application for PhD. I already told you that in a Europe they have only 1 year master degree. So or for other diploma program or bachelor program, application for university teacher, research and artist. So you have to choose one of these option, so in which you reside. So for example, if we choose the application for PhD student, when you click on it, you will get at this page. Before going to it, when you click on it, you have to make an account. You have to add your information in it, and after information, they will show you some kind of page like this. I will show you here. See, registration verification. So you have to select that you want to get SMS on your mobile phone, or you get an email. So better to click on email or click on send email. When you click on send email, they will send you some kind of verification email in your email account. So click on verification email. After verification email, your account will be login, and after login, you will get this kind of information on your main page. So click on search for offer. When you click on my application, there is no application. So click on search for offer, because we did not start any kind of application here. So here you can see that target group is a secondary school student, bachelor student, master student, PhD student, primary school teacher, secondary school teacher, university teacher, researchers and other. You can choose this one. It's a basically filter. Study mobility, research mobility, language courses. So by applying or choosing the filter, you can get this kind of information here. Okay. And or you can just click on only program administered by SAIA. Your home country, you can choose your home country here for Pakistan and where you belong that, and field all field. So you can see there, they open some program which are still open, like 15 October, 15 October, 15 October, and some are already 1 November, 1 November and 1 November. So you can choose any of the program, depends on you. I already mentioned that I choose a PhD, so therefore it's showing this kind of. When you choose this third one, when you choose first one, so they show you according to your program. I want to show you something. For example, if you choose a bachelor degree and use a filter, you can see that they will give you some information like a first name number, contact your respective authority. Because if they mention that, contact your respective authority, because scholarship based on bilateral intergovernment government agreement. You can check on your country higher education website. They announce some scholarship already, so you can choose from there. So it depends on you. You can apply a filter here. Okay. After that, when you choose a program, like for example, I choose Austria research stay for PhD student, like 3 to 6 months or 1 semester. So you can choose 2 semester or 3 semester trimester. I'm just showing you the way that how you can choose a program. You can see that they give all of the information. So the choosed program, they mention that you can do these kind of research like natural science, technical science, medicine, agriculture science, social science and humanities. Type of sport, it's a sport, scholarship. Study is a mobility, PhD student. Finance core, who will finance you? They already mentioned that. Actions, Austria, Slovakia Corporation Science, they will provide you. And what they provide you, they will cover a 1,250 euros per month. Will cover their living cost, is accommodation, board and health insurance during their Slovakia. So you know that how much this amount will be. Submission of application and application form and supporting document. After that, you can read all of the information here. I want to tell you one more thing. You choose your study program here. After that, they open this page. After that, when you choose the program, they open this page. So after confirming your email address, when you log in, choose the program, they give you this kind of information. And then you have to click on application form and supporting document submission. You have to click on this. Application is to be submitted online via. When you click on this part, they will show you this page. But because I already made an account on it, in your case, they will show you that login here. You have to click on login and make another account. When you make another account, they will send you an email like this one. This is a activation code. When you add the activation code, your second account will be open. So you have to remember one thing: applying a scholarship in Europe, it's not an easy task. So I get too much time to get the information. So you have to guys support me, share these videos, so it can will be helpful for you in the future also. So you can see that I choose a semester grant and for short term stay of Action Austria, and you can see that I choose this program here. I want to show you this one. So what we have to do now, I have to add my base data, I have to add my personal data here. I have to add my address, current university education, mean your previous education, complete your education. You have to add your publication here, scientific or artistic study. Those people who want to go as an artist there and as a researcher there, they have to add the information here. Artistic activity abroad so far. So what kind of activity you will do there? You can also make a PDF or a Microsoft Word file. You can use a Chat GPT and DeepSeek to make your profiles, professional experience, your current academic occupation, your teaching engagement, basic professional data, further education, knowledge of language for foreign language, and what is your mother language and foreign language, what is your financial plan, and they are because they already mentioned that your financial plan will be covered with the scholarship. What is your plan, your study research period, personal skill, additional remark, letter of recommendation, and confirmation of supervisor. If you are going to applying for a research degree, you also need to get a supervisor from Slovakia. Once you get this scholarship, you go there, it means that your door for the Europe is open. There is a no application fee, there is no IELTS they require, so you have to use this website to apply and get to Europe so easily. Don't need to invest any money in any kind of things. No, don't pay a lot of money to a consultant, just use your mind. And here you can upload and submit your application, you will receive an email shortly. So share this video to your friend that they can apply. Share in a Facebook group or WhatsApp group, or also I will attach all of the links in the YouTube description video, so you can get all of the link there and apply there. So until that time, remember me in your you're prepared for the next video.